to give you this message so that you could help yourself in emergencies. Now I'm going into another phase that is a little off this subject, but I did want to get this to you first. And I hope you've written down your instructions for your baths, because they are very important. And I would like to add one thing more here. There is a solution that we make, and we've had to use it in this last episode that we've had to correct the radiation in our system. And that is to take a quart. Now write this down, because this is a formula. Write this down. 1 quart of distilled water. Now why do we use distilled water? Because it absorbs and pulls out all these elements that are foreign to the physical well-being of our body. In that, you take 1 teaspoon of soda, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and stir it till it's thoroughly mixed. Divide that into 4 doses. Now, your first dose, then drink the next one every 2 hours until you have taken the 4 doses. And your system will be pretty well cleaned out. Now, when you compare the bath to that and put them together, you'll be surprised at the results that you get. So, again, when we get these conditions, and you live with them, you have them every day, they're all there. And I see we only have 10 minutes. I wonder if there are any questions. Yes?
Did you say when you did a soda and salt solution, I didn't catch for the bath, how much soda and salt?
1 pound each. Now, if you're taking a straight soda bath, make it about 2 to 3 pounds. All right, thank you. Yes? Where did I see a hand? Here. I can't see back there in the dark. All righty.
Going in at that time, please?
There is no nutrition. You're drinking water. You're correcting a condition. So nutrition is not the point. Well, every 4 hours, yes. You shouldn't be taking anything else. You need the fluid in the system to wash it out and to neutralize what is there. Yes. Any other? Yes?
Epsom salt is good to use for the bath. Epsom salts.
No.
No, yeah.
Plain, ordinary sea salt is your best, if you can get sea salt. Now, other than that, don't buy your iodine salt in the market. We want real salt. And you could use your water filter salt or your ice cream salt. It takes a little while to dissolve and all, but it will work. You use your regular Clorox bleach, the old one, not the new. You want the plain, old-fashioned bleach. It's still on the market, thank God. I don't know what I'd do if it wasn't. Yes?
What do you use for oil or whatnot for your skin after you have done all this soaking?
Well, now, if you're taking those baths and they dry the skin, dry your body, then get olive oil and very lightly moisten your hands with it and rub it into your skin, and it'll take care of the whole thing. It'll stop all the itching and dryness. But now I don't know of any other oil that will do the work that olive oil will do. And it's better if you get the virgin oil, the first run of your oil. Here's the thing, they advertise cold-pressed oil. They heat it first, then they cold-press it, and that's what they tell you about. So are we getting real cold-pressed oil? But a virgin oil, olive oil, is never heated. It is cold-pressed. Any other? All right.
Yes. Do you find that aspirin and other drugs interferes with the body's ability to utilize the oxygen in the air?
I have never tested the ability of the oxygen. Anything that acts as a depressant will slow down the utilization of oxygen anywhere. But I can tell you this. We did find in our research that one aspirin tablet will involve the digestion of your protein for 24 hours and change the whole picture. And in the many, many analyses that I run, here's what I find today. I find your protein intake is either very low or too high. I also find that the involvement here, when we check it with the things that are coming along, the involvement is always with what you have used as a drug. I could go on for hours, but I see we're at the end of our time. And I am asked if I have written a book. Yes. We have 2 books at the moment. One is the electromagnetic energy in foods. The other is man and minerals. Now, I did not bring them with us. We weren't prepared to take care of it in that way. But the man and minerals is $10 for the book, and the electromagnetic energy is $9.50. And if you want to send for it, if you write down the address, I'll give it to you. And you reach it with the Parcell Scientific Living, System of Scientific Living, 1605 Cole Avenue, C-O-A-L, Southeast, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87106. Thank you all. I hope I've had